These are Freedom Towns at Victoria Commons, completely maintenance-free, and this one is fully upgraded from top to bottom and inside and out. I'm Helen Fiddler from Helen's team, excited to show you the Whitehaven, one of the finest offerings to hit the market. On a premium lot, this end-unit townhome gives you that rare feeling of space. Right from the charming flagstone walkway at the front to the surprisingly spacious view out back. And the yard? It's been smartly landscaped with strategically placed trees to create a trendy sense of privacy. The two-tier deck right off the kitchen sets the stage for those impromptu barbecues or dinner parties. Inside this home is absolutely pristine. Freshly painted throughout, you'll find 9-foot ceilings with loads of beautiful windows and hardwood floors on the upper and living room levels. The open layout flows, and the fully upgraded kitchen is designed with a generous amount of cabinetry, an extended breakfast-peninsula, granite counters, and a Carrera marble backsplash. Whether you're cooking, hosting, or just pouring a cup of tea, you'll love being in this thoughtfully upgraded space. This magnificent home features 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a loft-inspired rec room that's fully embracing its midtown vibes. You've also got all the smart essentials like high-efficiency AC, new hot water tank in 2022, new water softener 2024, central vac, Ecobee thermostat, and a monitored security system. And then there's the location, just a few blocks to Google in the Innovation District, Spurline Trail, the GO Station, the Transit Hub, and the Expressway. In this nicely treed neighborhood, you'll be walking distance to Four Quarter Butcher's Shop, downtown Kitchener, and just minutes from Midtown Waterloo. So if you're on the search for a beautifully designed, low-maintenance property in an urban setting, call Helen's team today because this home isn't mine and it should be yours.